Hello, this is Nick with Nick's Computer Fix, and here's a quick video on the USB hub Verbatim 4-port 3.1 Gen 1. A quick review and unboxing. And before we get to that, be sure to click on that subscribe button so you can see more of my videos. It would be greatly appreciated. Let's go ahead and take a look at this box really quick. On the outside, not much to look at. It does say it's 4 ports and 3.1 version of USB-C. And let's go ahead and unbox this, pull this out. And by the way, this USB hub is made out of aluminum, not plastic, so it's very strong. It absorbs the heat better, or you know, it won't overheat is what I'm trying to tell you, as badly as plastic ones do. Alright, and we have USB 3.1 Gen 1, 4 ports on the side, and that's a quick look around at USB-A 3.1 Gen 1, USB plug on the end. And then included is a adapter from USB-A to USB-C. If you need to use the USB-C on your laptop or your desktop computer, well, you know, no problem. It includes one and it can become very handy. Okay, and again, this is metal. It's not plastic, which you know, dissipates the heat much better than plastic does. So far I'm impressed by this. Let me go ahead and discard the box here, and we'll take a close look at plugging this into the laptop. But one last picture here. I like to put the USB hub right by the box, and the picture matches up perfectly. So what you see on the outside is what you get on the outside. Okay, let's go ahead and plug this in, and I've done that. I've plugged it into a USB-C port on my laptop here, and you can see a blue light comes on, lets you know that there's activity on this USB hub. And I went ahead and plugged a flash drive into one of the ports here, testing it out on my laptop. And by the way, the size of this USB hub is very small and very thin and very portable. It fits into the palm of my hand nice and easy, or my pocket, whichever you prefer. It is very portable and you can carry it anywhere. And of course, here's another picture with the flash drive plugged into the USB hub, and also I plugged in the USB receiver for my mouse that I have connected to the laptop into the USB hub as well, and both are working just fine, no problems at all. The response is quick and fast. When I plugged the USB flash drive in, it instantaneously brought up the file manager on my screen on the laptop, and as you can see, it's you know, presents itself well, and I have no complaints here. I like this USB hub a lot. It seems to be well made and good quality and reasonably priced. Alright, that's it for this video. Thanks for watching. Leave a like if you like, and be sure to click on that subscribe button. It would be greatly appreciated.